Hello everyone, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about cell division in our cell and molecular biology section. There are two types of cell division that you'll need to know for the exam, mitosis and meiosis, and we're going to be going over each of those in this video. So here's our lesson overview. First, we're going to talk about the cell cycle and terminology, then we're going to talk about mitosis, and lastly, we're going to talk about meiosis. So first, let's talk about the cell cycle and its terminology. The genome is all of the cell's DNA. This includes the code for all the proteins in your body, as well as many regulatory regions. Homologous chromosomes are the pair of chromosomes. You're going to have two copies, one from each parent, and these are going to have many similarities, but also some differences based upon what features and traits you got from each parent. You then have your sister chromatids, which are copies of a replicated chromosome joined at the centromere, and these are duplicates. And then you're going to have your kinetochores, which are